I'm meteorologist Margot Schuler. It's been a rather chilly Thanksgiving weekend, and well, we're actually about to get a lot colder from here. Look from our Sky 6 Embassy Suites camera. There's a lot of cloud cover in the sky, and this is all ahead of another cool down making its way into our area. So right now, we're sitting in the mid to low 30s. Some of us below freezing already, sitting at 32 or 37, in Knoxville, 32 though in Maynardville, La Follette, Oneida, 34 in Loudoun, and 30 in Crossville and Jamestown. Now, what's happening? Well, we're watching as an upper level system makes its way into our area. This system is just Arctic cold air. It's coming from Canada, and it's expected to make its way into our area by tomorrow morning. This is really going to send our temperatures plummeting, and it's also bringing another few things. Let's look at our satellite and radar right now. We're seeing very hefty cloud cover, but behind it is some moisture, and with these temperatures well below freezing, hopefully you get at what I'm talking about. We're right now going to see very cool conditions for tomorrow morning, so when you're heading off to work and heading off to school, just know a lot of us are going to be below freezing. We'll be sitting at 23 tomorrow morning in Knoxville, 23 in Maynardville, 22 in Moorestown, 20 in Wartburg, and 16 in Crossville. And the same story is for Tuesday morning. We're going to be below freezing in the low 20s, upper teens, and that's really just going to pack a punch, especially later on in the afternoon when our highs are only expected to be in the upper 30s, mid 30s for some. So what am I talking about? Why is it going to be so cold? Well, yes, we are in the low 40s tomorrow, but it's actually going to feel closer towards the low to mid 30s, which is significant because with that wind chill as low as it is, and we're expecting to see some moisture move through, that means we could see some snow. Now, it's really going to remain for the higher elevations. Us here in the valley, Knox County specifically, we're not going to see much. But if you live closer towards the plateau, well, you might see some snow flurries around 7 p.m. tomorrow night, and those snow flurries will continue to trek east and eventually strike places like the Great Smoky Mountains. Now, most of the totals aren't impressive with this snow system moving on through. We're looking about close to maybe a dusting less than half an inch along the plateau, and we're only again going to possibly see a flurry here in the valley, but towards, the Great Smoky Mountains, there could be 2 to 4 inches possible. But the main story for all of us here in East Tennessee over the next 7 days is just how cold it is. So typically for the beginning of December, we should be sitting in the mid 50s, but look at the highs for Monday and Tuesday. 38 on Monday, 38 on Tuesday, and those are our afternoon highs. Our morning lows were in the low 20s, upper teens. Now, here's some good news. We are expecting to warm up back closer to average, but just as we get there, well, we see another system rolling on through, bringing some spotty showers, and that's really going to pack a punch in terms of lowering our temperatures once again towards the low 40s, mid 40s for some. So we've got a lot of weather going on. If that was hard to keep up with, we always have the details on wate.com.
All right.